Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can delete contact poster on iPhone iOS 17. So first, just need to make sure that you're updated on the latest iOS 17. Now, if you open your contacts here, if it's your own personal contact poster that you want to delete, you just need tap on this My Card, and here basically on the next page, you'll find this option. Just need to tap on Contact, Photo, and Poster. So basically, if you tap on that option, then you'll find this page. You just need to tap on this edit button below your contact poster, and you have an option here to basically delete your contact poster. So to delete your contact poster, you just need to swipe up, and then you will find a trash bin icon right there. So if you're going to tap on that, a message shows up here: delete contact photo and poster. So tap on delete option. So yeah, it's just the same process to someone who you want to delete their contact poster. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.